Hello crafty friends, thank you so much for joining me again today. It's been a while, unfortunately I haven't been too well, so this video was from 2 weeks ago, but I just now managed to do a voiceover, sorry about that. Anyway, I'm using the Spellbinder kit, quick and easy card kit of the month for last month, that was June, I think, yes. And we make 5 cards today, and my first card is actually not my card at all. It's my little boy Marco cards that he wanted to do some craft with mommy. So he chose the element from the pack, from the ephemera pack. He chose the pattern and paper. He chose the what to do and the position. So the card is all is. I just help him to cut a few things, and that's it. So this is him enjoying himself, and he's using some some of his glue and some of mine. So is very confidently, I have to tell you the truth, very confident and quite precisely put things together. So now he's attached another of the ephemera that come in the kit. And I find quite hard to squeeze from the bottle, but I really like it, so I use it here again. There you go. Now he wanted mommy and son card, so he chose 2 of the cute squirrels, and he decided very boldly to put the sentiment as a first thing, so almost very bold choice, not what I would do, but hey. And now is attaching the mummy squirrel, as you call it. That's it, very good. I put some foam square at the back, and now attach himself. That is him, basically, the little blue squirrel. And he chose a cloud with a little rainbow, and is trying to squeeze the glue out of the bottle again. I think it's getting better now. And that's it. I think it's very sweet that I want to make cards with mommy, and it might be in the beginning of a very, very good crafter, who knows. So now I decide to put the glue directly on the paper, and to attach the butterflies after. We choose the colors as well of the butterflies and everything. I think he enjoyed himself, and that's what all it counts, isn't it? Now I'm trying to grab the second butterfly. There you go. And the third one. Good job. Now is putting some of his glue. I'm not sure if it lasts or not, but is putting some glue down just to attach the panel. And look how precise it is. I was well impressed with him, to be fair. And that's it, and he done it. Unfortunately, it's not gonna be on the picture, because as soon as he finished, it just ran to his friend's house and give it to him, to his best friend Jacob. So I thought it was very sweet. Now for card number 2, I'm using this very old die from Spellbinders, a scallop one, and I die cut an embossed panel. The embossing is coming from I think was May embossing folder of the month. Now using some of the pattern and paper from the kit, and I create a little, I didn't use the whole panel because I didn't need to. I just cut a few strips, and then I'm gonna use the embossed die cut panel in the middle. I'm creating now very quickly, you can see I accelerate the video quite a lot. I'm creating a little shaker. So I'm using some of the packaging from the one of the die set, and I create a shaker using the lovely sequins that come in the kit. They are this beautiful light pink and white shimmery color. So just put a good amount inside, seal it, and with double-sided tape it, attach it directly to my panel. There you go. Very quick. Now I'm using one of the chipboard from the kit, and I'm gonna add some glue because they're not particularly sticky, the chipboard, they tend to detach. And I'm just gonna glue in on top of my shaker, say happy, and choosing from my stash one birthday foil sentiment. It said birthday wishes, but I detach wishes. And I'm just gonna pop it up a bit with some foam strip and just attach it under my sentiment, under my happy. Using my tweezle. Sorry about the voice and the audio actually. It just my microphone gave up on me, so I'm using the microphone directly from the laptop, so hopefully it's come out okay. Now I did attach a couple of the ephemera butterfly that they are in the pack, and with the animal accent in black I'm just gonna create with tiny dots the body of the butterflies, and basically that's it. I keep it very simple. There you go, and carton number 2 is done. This close-up image. Now for card number 3, I'm going to use the leftover of the pattern and paper from the previous card, and I'm just going to attach it, I'm just going to add to it some of light purple cardstock that is on the kit again, and I'm just going to add it. The cardstock I die cut with the same scallop die from before, and I just need some borders. So I'm gonna do the same things on the other side. Oh, wrong. There you go. Try to keep the same kind of distance. And that's it. I use double-sided tape again, as you can see, and then I'm gonna pop it up a bit with some foam tape. And put it in all over the little things. It's a bit bigger, but I'm gonna cut off the excess. Sorry about all the noise, you probably can hear my the house noises. Now I'm just gonna not center it completely, I'm just gonna leave a bit larger space on the top. There you go, almost centered. Or did I century? Maybe a century. Sorry. It looked like century. Sorry, as I said, the video was done 2 weeks ago, so now I cut the excess, and I'm just gonna do the same kind of design on the other one, but this time without not making a shaker. I'm just gonna attach some patterning paper to the back of my little frame. The frames are they come in the cheap, or they come in the pack. There are quite a few of them. They're very pretty. So I choose another oval one. I'm gonna put in the same position of the other one. So again, I'm gonna attach some double side tape, place it on my card, slightly on the side, and then I'm just gonna use again from my stash a gold foil sentiment that says "Sending my love." They're from Janas Makula foil sentiment set from Spellbinder, and I'm just gonna put some glue on the back. I should use my tweezer. I'll do it now. And glue it directly on my patterning paper. Now I choose one of those pretty butterfly that they are again from the kit, of course, and it's basically double stickers, so one go on top of the other, and the wings are mobile, and they're, I think, on acetate, so they're very flickery. So it looks nice, I hope. Now card number 4 is in this butterfly pattern paper, very pretty. There's a lot of butterfly in this set. And I'm gonna cut the panel in little squares that are, I think, 1.5 inch size. Yeah, 1.5 inch squares. And I'm gonna use, it's gonna help me to put everything together. This basically is one of a cutting mat from my Cricut, a old one that I cut in pieces, and I'm using to place my stuff. Now once I set them correctly, I'm just gonna use a piece of magic press and seal just to grab them from my mat, from my sticky mat, and carefully detach the sticky mat by holding on the press and seal. It took a bit, but it worked. And the pieces are still all attached together. Now what my plan is to do is to attach them on an angle like that, and I want to pop them up a bit, so I'm just gonna attach some double side tape on the back. I've got this double side tape I purchased online, very cheap, and now I'm just gonna attach everywhere. And then I had a little problem and I ran out of battery. So the card is already made, sorry. Hope you like it. Now let's pass a card number 5. So I use another patterning paper from the kit, a stripy one, diagonal stripy one. And I'm just gonna, after I trim it slightly smaller of my card, I just attach it in the middle. I think it was could be half inch smaller, something like that. And I center it on my card directly. This one is super simple. I'm gonna use a sentiment that is a Simon Says Stamp sentiment from a whole kit that I've got, a bold sentiment. And I'm just gonna pop it up with some foam square that come in the kit. They're tiny and very thick, so very dimensional. And I kind of offset it a bit in my card, so a bit on the left on the bottom part, and then I choose a few butterfly to attach. They're very pretty. Maybe a yellow one as well. So you can see there are two stickers, one attached flat, the other one just attached in the center, so it gives you a lot of dimension. And to finish up, I'm just gonna add a couple of sequins from the sequins from the kit. Okay, finally a pinch one. So on this, they're not just sequins. They come with the little more thick beads or something like that. I don't know how to describe them. There are tiny butterfly and the pink circles, and I'm using some of those as well. And once I decide where they're all gone, I'm just gonna glue them down using my squeeze bottle and simple glue that actually work. At this point I'm exaggerating a bit. I think so maybe I want some more here and there. It's so hard to stop. And that's it. And now I'm just gluing them down. There was so much light 2 weeks ago. Today is rainy and grey. And that's it, the card is done. I hope you like it. So here are all the finished 4 cards. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry it took 2 weeks to make. And I'll see you next time. Bye!